how to make a weekly meal planner in Canva. I started making it already and then I forgot to record, but I don't feel like doing it all over again. So this is where we're at right now. I made the shape by putting a bunch of lines together, and then I made a rectangle, made it gray, and I pushed it to the back of the lines by putting position to back. Okay. I just found this new font. It's so pretty, called Halamum, right? It's so nice. Okay, so up top is gonna be breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snack. And then on the side, it's gonna have the days of the week. So I press T to get the text box to come up. And I think we'll have the letters in capitals. And I'm so sorry that I have no idea how to edit videos and whatnot, but bear with me, we'll get better. And hopefully I'll learn how to like speed this up like I see people doing videos. But until then, I guess we will just work slowly together. Breakfast, lunch, and dinner. You just make sure it lines up when like those pink lines come up. Oops, of course it didn't do it. Okay, there we go. And then snacks. So this meal planner is a part of the 75 hard challenge templates I'm making. So yeah, I just finished making this. It came out really nice. I like it a lot. They will be up for sale soon, so you don't have to sit here for a good 4 hours making it on your own if you don't want to. Okay, so now for the other lines. I just clicked this line up here and I'm gonna hit the plus to duplicate it. Probably have to do it, what, 6 times to get 7 boxes? I'm not sure. Let's see. Okay, so then I kind of just lay them out. I do it this way because then you can just hit space evenly. I don't know how many lines I'm supposed to have. Okay, let's do one more. Okay. So now I come down here and I highlight all of the horizontal lines. Oh, fuck. Sorry. Okay, I fucked it up. Let's try again. I just wanted to stop at that last bottom line. Ooh. Right there. Boom. Okay, I think I did it. I think. I'm not sure. Let's see if that works. I don't think it's gonna work. Did it work? Hey, we got it. Okay. So yeah, now we have perfectly spaced boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Awesome. That is 7, right? If you want to zoom out, you can just go down here. Canva recently updated stuff, so it's looking nicer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, cool. So now we need to do the days of the week. I don't know if I want to start with Sunday or Monday. I think we're gonna start with Monday. Should we start with Sunday? I don't know. Okay, well, let's do Sunday. You can always give the customer like both of them. You could do one with Sunday and then one with Monday. Yeah, you see I just rotated it, put it in the box. Okay, and on to the next. Then we have Monday. Have to make the box a little bigger. So when you're designing, always try to keep the fonts kind of consistent. I try not to do any more than 3 fonts to a page, because then it just starts looking like too messy. And I think for this one, I'm going to do like, I want to color coordinate the boxes just to make it a little bit prettier. We have Tuesday. Yeah, I definitely am gonna have to like figure out how you speed up time on these videos. I don't want you to have to sit through all of this with me. We got Wednesday. That's how I remember how you spell Wednesday. Wednesday. Okay, here we go. Tuesday, Wednesday. So yeah, this template along with a bunch of other templates will be available for purchase in my shop, because when I was first starting my Etsy shop, I wished so badly that I could scale up faster and have more quality products in my store faster, but everything I was finding, it was just so ugly. Like, I refused to sell it. It looked so bad that I couldn't proudly sell it to my customers, so I just had to keep creating things on my own, and it took like literally 6 months to get my store to the size I wanted it to be, because I also tried Fiverr, but the quality just was not up to par. It was not good. So that's why I decided I'm gonna make my own PLR content for you guys to buy, so you don't have to go through the same struggle that I went through. But definitely when you buy templates, of course, you should be trying to make it somewhat different than what is already there. I put my own little pizzazz on it. And then for Etsy, I would recommend also like putting your branding on the page, so people can't just like buy it and then resell it as their own. Because I know not a lot of people do it, but people do that, and it sucks. So if you have your own little get the name of your shop down here with a little like copyright thing, then at least people know it's yours. Okay, why is Saturday acting funny? Okay, sometimes when it's like acting weird and like you can't get it to the spot that you want it to be in, like you can zoom and it'll give you a little bit more. See, there we go. Why does this seem like it's backwards to me? I don't know. Okay, we're good. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Awesome. So I'm going to zoom back out now and see what we're working with. Okay, like I said, I wanted to do some like different colors, and I like pretty like pastel colors. So let me see what colors I used for up here. Okay, probably will maybe do something along these colors, or maybe I won't. Let's see. Let's hit a rectangle. We're gonna fill it into the box to line up. I like having the margin shown. So if you go to like file right here and show margins, you'll see this like outline box. So that means when somebody prints it out, like they'll have enough space to like punch the binder holes in it without any problems or without it like cutting into any of the words. So I like everything just being within the margin. And that was another problem I had. I had bought these templates from somebody else, and then it was like the the words were all over the place, and so when somebody would print it out that and they would like cut into the words when they tried to put it into a binder, and I didn't like that, and so I would have to sit there and make everything smaller to fit within the margin lines. And by the time I did that, I should have just made it myself at that point. It was just taking so much time. Okay guys, so this is my first like tutorial video kinda, so please bear with me. I promise I will get better. I absolutely promise. Okay, so I like pastel kind of font, like colors, so I make it pretty and light so people can write on it too. Keep that in mind. If it's too dark, they won't be able to see what they write. Okay, so that's the first box. So then I'm going to duplicate that, bring it down, maybe make this a green, go here and just drag it down to a lighter shade, a lighter pretty shade. Let's get a nice green. There we go. Position it all the way to the back. Actually, let me duplicate this first. I'm gonna duplicate it a couple of times. There we go, and just position it correctly. So yeah, if you have any suggestions for new template ideas, something that you'd like me to make that you can sell, like, comment below and I will take it into consideration definitely. And tell me any like ideas for videos that you'd love to see. I definitely think I should do some videos on like product research and how I found out that I should even make a 75 hard challenge planner. I use eRank to do my keyword research. All right, this is a pretty pink. All right, send them back. To back. Ooh, it's looking very nice. Okay, what should the next color be? I'm thinking a yellow, orange, purple, and maybe, okay, let's move one more down. Okay. So here we go. We have a yellow. This is nice. I think that might be a little bit too dark. Let me lighten it up a little bit. Okay, position it to the back. What did I say? We'll do a purple since we didn't do purple yet. Position that to the back. This one we will do maybe a, I don't know, I'm running out of colors. I feel like an orangey. It might look like yellow. That's good, right? I think that looks different enough than the one up top. Maybe I'll make this one a little bit more yellowy looking. Yeah, that looks better. Okay, and then for Saturday, who wants to be Saturday? Maybe I could go like for like, no, maybe I'll do another, maybe just red. Let's see how that looks. I think it's gonna look too much like pink. Okay. And so there are all the colors. Sometimes I get kind of picky and I don't like how the bottom colors look or how they're going together. So you can always just change it by clicking easily. Yeah, so I definitely get really picky about the colors sometimes. But here you go. I think that one looks better. I think the red was clashing a little bit, but here's a pretty planner, weekly meal planner. I think that is about it. It looks great. If you want to see how it's going to look when you print it out, you can just hit the two expand arrows down there and it will open full screen. And this is what your customer would get. I always just make sure all the lines are touching, everything. Then I'd like do a quick proofread Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Yeah, everything looks great. So if you have any more questions, definitely drop a comment below. And I will see you guys next time. Okay, let me figure out how you stop this. Okay, here we go.